Hey guys, this is MVP Tech, and today we got something special into our tech storage. So we have Nintendo Switch 2, Pokemon Legends ZA Edition. This is the newest addition to my consoles. So let's see, what do we have here? We have the Switch 2, the joysticks, the USB cable, the dock, the holder. Number 8, it's the Joy-Con straps, the HDMI cable, and Pokemon Legends ZA Nintendo Switch Edition download code. Okay, some information, some patents. I actually like this side more. What do you think? Download code, players, one players, TV mode, handheld mode. Okay. Let's unbox it, I guess, from this side. We're gonna need my handy dandy tool, my knifey. Let's... Why it's not so sharp? I need to make it sharper. Yes, voila! Here we have already start, beginning, starter. EU or the UK one. Hold button to detach, support Nintendo, press the power button to enter or exit sleep mode. Well, that's understandable. Voila! The presentation. Now let's stop and rate the presentation. I think the presentation is quite alright. What do you think, guys? I think the presentation is quite alright. We have the joystick size. Now I think this time around, even the butter's a little bit bigger. Home. Okay. The Switch is, it is what it is. Now let's see the left one. Okay. The bigger size of this Switch, I like it. And the material is like soft rubber. Okay, the buttons are also quite good. Now, what's really improved is these buttons. If you play like Mario Wonder together with like your child or something, the fatter big buttons would have helped me a bit. We have some... Oh, that's the I guess mouse mode or something, because I see some optical sensors here. Okay, so yeah, these buttons are definitely an improvement. Okay, and it slides. It quite slides. Of course, slides quite well. Okay, interesting. So I wonder, does the mouse mode works on both? Oh yeah, it works on both. I remember the presentation. Okay, now the Switch itself. Ooh, or maybe let's leave that for a little bit later, because we have more things to see. Yes, what do we have here? We have Pokemon Legends code, how to redeem code, Nintendo Switch 2 booklet, manual guide. Sometimes you can find some interesting things or some warnings if they are. Okay, let's leave it aside. Yes, we have ultra high speed cable. Ultra high speed is 4K 60 or 4K 120. I don't remember the markings. Okay, we will leave that definitely. The straps, the Joy-Con straps. Okay, so they're, I guess, magnetic this time. I think we're gonna use them on the real boxing. It's like quite a good fitness. If you never tried real boxing, just go and try it. It's really fun thing to do with children. And you have a guide already there, so it's like fun activity. Okay, I guess that's how you connect this, plus to plus. Okay, nice. And take it away like this. Okay, so you press the button and it just does this motion. There you go. Okay. Let's move it to the side. So the top part is done. Let's move to the next level. And what do we have here? We have big charger brick. This time it's heavy. Where's the logo? Yeah, here we have Nintendo. Leave there. This is the cable. This should be a good hefty, heavy cable. Oh yeah, it's. I think it's even looking similar, similar size as the Switch OLED cable. Nice. Let's plug that in. We have next. Oh, I think this time they did it a good job. Let's try it out. Let's try it out, and then we'll say our verdict. It's not even comparable. Not even comparable. Just take a look at it. The size is way more comfortable. Way more comfortable to hold it in your hand. Of course, not as comfortable as Pro controller, but not everybody uses it as a like Pro controller. Some people are going to use it as just some casual gaming. Okay, I'm gonna leave it in this because this thing is a dust collector actually. So if you're planning to buy it, don't throw out these bags or buy some, buy just some bag to hold it. And now the most important changes that was made. It's in this dock, but that's next step until the last step, which is Switch 2. That's it. That was quite nice experience. I'm telling you that. This thing is quite expensive, but the experience was quite well. Yes. Bam, the box. Let's move it to the side so it would still have the soul and now the dock. What changed and why I told you anything? The number one thing is the actual fan inside of it. Let's open it up. There's a fan in here which cools down your system, and that's very, very important. And here you can see where the vents are. It's really, 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 it's way better. At least in my opinion. Of course, it comes with a price, and that price is 150 euros more than OLED version. So you need to choose what you want to do. Do you want to pay 350 euros for 100 to 250 to 200 gigaflops of compute power, or you want to pay 480 plus 70 euro game for 1 teraflop? So you need to choose. And of course, the best thing is that you connect this to your TV and it becomes a 3 teraflop compute power device. Yeah, the connectors are plain and simple. It's HDMI, USB, oh, this AC adapter, but that AC adapter is just USB-C, and there's LAN. I think at this day and age, we should use Wi-Fi, but hey, if you need, and if you're sick of this download latencies and blah, 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 man, do what you gotta do. Get a 10 gigabit ISP connection there. And here you have, there's same USB-C. Now, this thing actually going to make a difference. But let's make it also to the back. And now, the main thing. The size is enormous. The size is enormous. Ooh. Yes. Let's have an honors to connect it. Ooh, that's really so satisfying, If you're like a good old Nintendo Switch fan, you really find it satisfying. Like, look at this screen. Yeah. Now, let's see the screen. Okay. Ooh. Okay. So that was unboxing of Switch 2, the newly updated version of our beloved console, the continuation for all the blood, tears, and sweat of developers who tried to develop and optimize for the Switch 1, now they finally get something new for it. So thank you for watching this unboxing today. That was more calmer video because it's more of a upgrade, not like a revolution. It's just an iteration. So this is lovely iteration. So let's respect this iteration and let's hope that it will work out well for players, for developers, and for Nintendo. So thank you for watching this video today. That was MDP Tech. And if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel, share this video for your friends, and thank you for being together for such a long time. Thank you. Bye.